Ensure every hire matches your exact requirements with precise, personalized grading. Sometimes candidate responses require a human touch to fully capture their depth and relevance. With Score It Yourself, you can personally review and grade candidate responses, ensuring your evaluations are thorough and perfectly aligned with your expectations. To score the candidate's answers, navigate to the Score It Yourself tab, choose the answer you wish to score. On the right-hand side, the candidate's response will be visible. You have the ability to assign remarks, add any extra comments, and then automatically proceed to the next response. Once you've completed the scoring process, you can switch to the Score tab and review all the answers that have been scored. This feature lets you have full control over assessing skills that align with your job requirements, helping you hire candidates who truly fit the role. Ready to add that personal touch to your assessments? Choose VCP and start using Score It Yourself today.